The muscular system consists of muscles. The muscle is an organ which relax and contract to perform movement of the body joints. Like the motor of the car, the muscle is considered as a motor of the body. The muscle consists of many muscle tissues bundled together and surrounded by membrane called epimysium. Muscular tissue called flesh. The muscle tissue consists of group of muscle bundles, blood vessels and collagen and elastic fibers. Each muscle bundle covered with membrane called perimysium. Each muscle bundle consists of group of muscle fibers. Muscle fiber is the muscle cell consists of cell membrane called sarcolemma and cytoplasm called sarcoplasm. The sarcoplasm contains group of myofibrils. Each myofibril surrounded by endoplasmic reticulum which store calcium ions and large number of mitochondria to produce energy. As the muscle cell is the most active cell which always consumes energy. Myofibril is the functional unit of the muscle which allow the muscle to contract and relax. Myofibril consists of thick myosin filaments and thin actin filaments. The myofibril consists of light and dark bands. Dark part consists of myosin while the light part consists of actin. The myofibril divided into arranged consecutive pieces. Each piece starts and ends with a dark line called Z-line. The Z-lines present in the light band which called I band. At the center there is a dark band called A band. This dark area bisected with a semi-lighted zone called H zone. The distance between two Z-lines called sarcomere. When the nerve impulse produced through action potential reaches the nerve synapse at the neuromuscular junction, it activates calcium channels in the synapse. So the calcium ions enter inside and cause rupture of the vesicles inside. Neurotransmitters released and cross the synaptic cleft to act on the muscle fiber. The muscle fibers contract through sliding filaments mechanism. Acetylcholine causes release of calcium ions in muscle fibers. The calcium ions bind to troponin protein on actin filaments which displace tropomyosin fibers exposing binding sites for the hooks of myosin filaments. The ATP produced by mitochondria consumed by the myosin hooks in binding to actin filaments at binding sites. The myosin hooks pull the actin filaments towards the H zone. This causes decrease in the distance of sarcomere leading to contraction. At the end of this process, stimulated muscle fibers contract together, causing the whole muscle tissue to contract and relax.